I feel so lazy today. I don't feel like doing anything.
Same here. I'd rather just lie down and do nothing all day.
There's something about just lounging around that feels so comforting.
Exactly. Sometimes, doing nothing is exactly what you need.
I know I have things to do, but I just can't find the motivation.
It's okay to take a break sometimes. You don't always have to be productive.
True, but I still feel a little guilty about it.
I get that, but resting is important too. We all need to recharge.
Maybe you're right. I just want to enjoy this lazy day without worrying.
You should. Everyone deserves a day to just relax and unwind.
I might even take a nap later. That sounds so good right now.
That sounds perfect. A nap can make you feel so refreshed.
Exactly. Plus, I think my body is telling me I need more rest.
Then listen to it. There's nothing wrong with taking it easy for a day.
I will. Maybe tomorrow I'll be more motivated to get things done.
That's the spirit. Today is all about relaxation.
I'm glad we're on the same page. Sometimes, doing nothing together is the best.
I couldn't agree more. It's nice to just chill and not worry about anything.
Definitely. Let's make the most of this lazy day.
Sounds like a plan. Let's just enjoy the moment.
You shouldn't brood over it for too long.
I know, but it's hard to stop thinking about it.
I get that, but dwelling on it won't change what happened.
True, but I can't help replaying the situation in my mind.
Sometimes, it's better to distract yourself with something else.
Yeah, maybe I should focus on a hobby or go for a walk.
That sounds like a good idea. Getting some fresh air might help clear your head.
You're right. I've been stuck in this negative loop all day.
It's understandable, but you have to give yourself a break too.
I just feel like I could have handled things differently, you know?
We all have those moments, but beating yourself up over it won't help.
I suppose, it's just easier said than done.
Absolutely, but taking small steps might make a big difference.
Maybe starting with something simple, like reading a book, could help.
Definitely. Or even watching a lighthearted movie might lift your spirits.
I might do that. It's been a while since I just relaxed and watched something fun.
That sounds like a plan. Sometimes, laughter is the best medicine.
Thanks for the advice. I really needed to hear that.
Anytime. Just remember, you don't have to go through it alone.
I appreciate that. I'll try to focus on the positives and move forward.
That's the spirit. We're all here for you.
I have to say, that dress you're wearing is really awesome.
Oh, thank you. I wasn't sure about it at first, but I'm glad you like it.
It's more than just like, it really makes you stand out in the best way possible.
You're so sweet. I wanted something that was elegant but not too flashy.
Well, you definitely nailed it. The color really suits you too.
I appreciate that. I was debating between this and a black one.
I think you made the right choice. This one's a bit more unique.
That's what I was hoping for. I didn't want to blend in too much.
Trust me, there's no way you could blend in wearing that.
You always know how to make me smile. How about your outfit? It's quite sharp.
Thanks. I figured I'd dress up a bit since it's a special occasion.
You look great. The tie really pulls everything together.
I wanted something that would complement what you're wearing actually.
Well, mission accomplished. We make a pretty stylish pair tonight.
Agreed. Shall we head out and show off our looks?
Absolutely. I'm excited to see everyone's reaction when we walk in.
They're going to be impressed, for sure. You're practically glowing.
You're making me blush, but I'm ready. Let's make it a night to remember.
With you by my side, it definitely will be.
All right then, let's go and enjoy ourselves.
I need you to finish this project by tomorrow.
Are you sure? I thought we had until next week.
No ifs or buts about it. It needs to be done by tomorrow.
But I've got other tasks on my plate too.
I understand, but this is a top priority right now.
All right, but I might need some extra help to get it done.
I'm afraid we don't have the luxury of time. You'll need to manage it on your own.
This is going to be tight. Can I at least have an extension if something goes wrong?
No extensions. It has to be done by the end of the day tomorrow, no excuses.
I guess I'll have to rearrange my schedule then.
Exactly. Make sure you stay focused and get it done.
I will, but this is going to be a challenge.
It's important, and I know you're capable of handling it.
Okay, I'll do my best.
That's all I'm asking. If you need anything, let me know.
Thanks, I'll let you know if I run into any issues.
Just remember, no ifs or buts. We need this completed.
Understood. I'll get started right away.
Great, I appreciate your understanding and effort.
Don't get it twisted. I'm not mad at you. I'm just frustrated with the situation.
I understand, but it felt like you were upset with me personally.
I can see how it might have seemed that way, but it's really just everything piling up at once.
That makes sense. What's been bothering you the most?
It's just been a rough week at work, and I've been feeling overwhelmed by all the deadlines.
I had no idea you were dealing with so much. Is there anything I can do to help?
I appreciate that, but I just need some time to decompress and get my thoughts together.
That's completely understandable. Sometimes taking a step back is the best thing you can do.
Exactly. I just didn't want you to think I was upset with you because I value our friendship a lot.
Thanks for saying that. I value our friendship too, and I'm here if you need to talk or anything.
That means a lot to me. I'm just trying to find a better way to handle all this stress.
Maybe we could do something relaxing together this weekend, like going for a hike or catching a movie.
That sounds like a great idea. I could really use a break from everything and just enjoy some downtime.
Awesome. Let's plan something fun and make sure you get a chance to unwind.
I'd really appreciate that. It's nice to know I have someone who understands what I'm going through.
Always. We all go through tough times, but it's easier when you've got a friend by your side.
Absolutely. Thanks for being so supportive.
Anytime. We'll get through this together.
We definitely will. I'm feeling better already just talking to you.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's make sure you have a great weekend. Please subscribe and see you soon.